rid of all your trainers?
That Pikachu.
Let's see. I already got one trainer from this guy earlier. He's wanting to do 3 trainers and $5 for Pikachu. Let's see. Let me see what I can do for you. Trainers are good right now too.
Yeah. It's very rare. It's really rare, yeah. Because I'm collecting Pikachu, so that one's probably a big one.
Yeah, I saw your binder. Starting my son on his Pikachu journey. They're just so expensive.
They've gone up.
And it doesn't help that my son is into Pikachu and I'm into Charizard.
Oh yeah, 2 hard ones. So that Lily's the best one, right? That's kind of cheap. Can you do these 3 and 10?
I don't have an extra. I don't have the $5 dog.
That's all you got?
Yep.
You got anything else to throw in trade? Like maybe another like $5 card, maybe?
I could probably do this Eternus.
What's this at?
I think it's like $5 right now.
I'll do that one.
I'll take it.
Yeah, I gotta get something I actually like, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, we'll do that. That's a good deal.
Alright, so let me get the final verdict.
So you're getting 3 trainers, a rainbow, $5 for Pika Pika. Pikachu. There you go, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, man. Maybe one of the illustrators.
Give them the trade job, I get another pair of shoes.
That was a little rough on the trade, but Rainbow Tag Team? What do you got? You got gift cards?
$10.
This is my brother. And we're the same.
That'd be like right at. And you still have to come up some more trade for that though. Because if I'm valuing this at 20, that's what I can possibly get for it. So I need some more trade.
SB on B.
How you doing, Rob?
And those are legit?
Yeah.
Am I going to get scammed?
You can check them.
Like for Christmas?
Yeah. I've had them for like 2
What you gonna buy me? Christmas.
That's basically $20 there. We got $20 on gift cards. You got a Mewtwo. And he wants, what was it? You wanted that tag team?
Tag.
Rainbow Tag? Let's look at it. That's the Rowlith and Zeki.
Yeah.
Okay. That is a solid card that he's offering. So basically $20 in gift cards, a $20 card. Can you see him? Put all these in my 2 for $5 binder. So it's 40. Maybe like 45. That's right at value what I have. I typically wouldn't do that, but since you guys have been trading with me today, I'll go ahead and do that deal. Yep. All right. That way you get both of y'all get a card y'all wanted. Yeah. Cool, man. Thanks.
Make a deal, Jay?
Yeah. I got got two $10 gift cards from it, but I told, like I said, I typically wouldn't have done that, but they've been trading and like they both got a card they wanted. So, hey, I'll get gas with those $10 gift cards, man. And